Tropical Paradise Bliss Smoothie Recipe. Have you ever dreamed of being transported to a tropical paradise, where the air is filled with the scent of exotic fruits and the sunsets paint the sky in vibrant hues? Well, look no further, because I have the perfect recipe that will whisk you away to tropical bliss. The Tropical Paradise Bliss Smoothie. This delightful concoction is not only a treat for your taste buds, but it also nourishes your body with an abundance of vitamins and minerals. Its vibrant colors and refreshing flavors will instantly transport you to a pristine beach, with turquoise waters and swaying palm trees. To start, gather the following ingredients: 1 ripe mango, 1 ripe pineapple, 1 banana, 1 cup of coconut water, a handful of spinach, a handful of fresh mint leaves, and a squeeze of lime. These ingredients are not only delicious, but they also provide numerous health benefits. Mango, known as the king of fruits, is not only a tropical delight, but also a great source of vitamins A and C. These vitamins can help boost your immunity and promote healthy skin. The sweet, juicy flesh of a ripe mango adds a burst of flavor and a creamy texture to the smoothie. Pineapple, with its tangy sweetness, complements the mango perfectly. This tropical fruit is rich in bromelain, an enzyme that aids in digestion and reduces inflammation. It also contains vitamin C, manganese, and fiber, all of which contribute to a healthy gut and improved digestion. The banana in this smoothie adds creaminess and natural sweetness. It also provides potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart health. In addition, bananas are a great source of energy, making this smoothie an ideal pre- or post-workout drink. To give the smoothie a refreshing twist, add a handful of spinach. This leafy green is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as important minerals like iron and calcium. Spinach also provides fiber, aiding in digestion and promoting a healthy gut. To enhance the tropical flavor even further, add a handful of fresh mint leaves. Mint adds a cool, refreshing element to the smoothie and aids in digestion. It also offers a lovely aroma that will transport you to a tropical paradise with each sip. Finally, a squeeze of lime adds a zing of citrusy freshness to the smoothie. Lime is an excellent source of vitamin C, which boosts your immune system and helps your body absorb other nutrients more effectively. The tangy flavor of lime complements the sweetness of the fruits, creating a perfectly balanced tropical delight. Now that you have gathered all the ingredients, it's time to blend them together. Simply place the mango, pineapple, banana, spinach, mint leaves, coconut water, and a squeeze of lime into a blender. Blend until the consistency becomes smooth and creamy. Once blended, pour the Tropical Paradise Bliss Smoothie into a tall glass. Garnish it with a slice of fresh pineapple or a sprig of mint for an extra touch of tropical elegance. Take a moment to admire the vibrant colors and inhale the fruity aroma before taking that first refreshing sip. With each sip of this Tropical Paradise Bliss Smoothie, you will be transported to a tropical utopia. The sweet and tangy flavors, combined with the refreshing mint and lime, create a symphony of tastes that dance on your palate. The cool, creamy texture and vibrant colors further enhance the sensory experience, making this smoothie both a treat for your taste buds and a feast for your eyes. So, next time you are yearning for a tropical escape, why not indulge in a glass of Tropical Paradise Bliss Smoothie? This divine drink will not only delight your senses, but also nourish your body, bringing you one step closer to that tropical paradise you've been dreaming of. I hope this Tropical Paradise Bliss Smoothie recipe was helpful. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and remember, you are what you eat. So let's make today the day we change our eating habits for a healthier lifestyle.